Yoga Club.
Hello and welcome to Yoga Club. Get ready to wiggle and jiggle and pop and bop, dancing our socks off to all the brilliant yoga disco hits. I hope you like dancing and music. Now let's kick off with the ultimate in warm-up songs and say hello to Joe. I'll be back afterwards with some shout-outs.
Hi, my name's Joe. I've got a wife and 3 kids and I work in the button factory. One day, my boss said to me, he said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. He said, push this button with your left hand. Hi, my name's Joe. I've got a wife and 3 kids and I work in the button factory. One day, my boss said to me, he said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. He said, push this button with your right hand. My name's Joe. I've got a wife and 3 kids and I work in the button factory. One day, my boss said to me, he said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. He said, push this button with your left foot.
And so I started toning in different places in the body, and she eventually started pointing.
Hi, my name's Joe. I've got a wife and 3 kids and I work in the button factory. One day, my boss said to me, he said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. He said, push this button with your right foot. Hi, my name's Joe. I've got a wife and 3 kids and I work in the button factory. One day, my boss said to me, he said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. He said, push this button with your head. Hi, my name's Joe. I've got a wife and 3 kids and I work in the button factory. One day, my boss said to me, he said, Joe, are you busy? I said, yes!
Welcome back. Don't worry, I'll talk while you catch your breath. Whew, I know that one takes a ton of energy. So here we go. Hello to Elliot, who is 5 and is a big fan of all the special effects in our episodes, especially in the Minecraft, Pokemon, and all of the super yoga adventures. Elliot would love to see more roll doll yoga, which I too am a big fan of, Elliot. We have done the Twits, but I would so love to do Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and the BFG. It's great to hear about the Waffles and Mocky show too on Netflix, or Nutmix as I like to call it. A food-based yoga adventure would be awesome, you are right. Sending lots of love to you, Elliot, and to you too, Ben. Hi, Ben. Thanks so much for watching. Hello to Kennedy, who is 5 and loves the Zen Den. Our favourite part of yoga club, which is fantastic. You must be a mindfulness ninja, Kennedy. I can tell. And the boat pose too. Strong core. Hello to you and your mum in Michigan. And hello to Colleen and the kids, Aubriana, age 6, Sophia, age 4, and Waylon, age 3 in marvellous Minnesota. Great to hear Cosmic Kids features in your homeschooling, and your favourites are Frozen, Spider-Man and Fairy Floss. Oh, I love that story. Kitty Ricky sounds like a fabulous idea, even better than Hello Kitty. I can imagine Kitty Ricky being a great character. Big love to you all and thanks for writing in. Now to our next dancing disco video, and we're off into the sky with our hot air ballooning. I'll see you after this when we land for some more shout outs.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Cosmic Kids Yoga Disco. I'm Jamie and this is your place for yoga, dancing and lots of fun. It's easy, just copy the moves I do and enjoy the disco. This one's called hot air ballooning, where we do our hot air balloon move. Ready?
Now it's time to stand up straight. We've got to go. We can't be late. We're moving, no snoozing. Today we go hot air ballooning. 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 Roll your shoulders round and round. Lift them up and put them down. Lift up 1, lift up 2. Put down 1, put down 2. Going up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Hot air ballooning. Hot air ballooning. Hot air ballooning. Hot air ballooning. Let's hop and jump in. Then we wave and start to sing. Love. Hot air ballooning. Hot air ballooning. Hot air ballooning. Hot air ballooning. Now cross your legs and sit down. Cup your hands around your mouth and blow it up good and big. Hot air ballooning. Hot air ballooning. Hot air ballooning. Hot air ballooning. Now we're soaring through the sky. Rocka, rocka, rockabye. We're moving, no snoozing. Today we go hot air ballooning. 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 Now it's time to land on the ground. Back to earth, safe and sound. Tuck up small like a mouse. We made it back to our house. Hot air ballooning. 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 Hot air ballooning.
Welcome back and well done for moving and grooving your way through that little number. Another few hellos now. First to Safi, who suggests we continue the Harry Potter yoga adventures and move on to the Chamber of Secrets next. That's a good idea, Safi. I'd love to do more Hogwarts yoga fun. Hello to Abby, who has been enjoying Cosmic Kids for 2 years and even teaches her stuffed animals yoga adventures. Oh, that sounds like great fun. And Encanto yoga. Oh yes, I'd so love to. Please, Disney angels, pretty please, with all the butterflies, let us do it. Thank you, Abby. Hello to Claire. Hi Claire, short and sweet. Hello to Molly, who is 5 and from Cork in Ireland, a magical place. Molly would like a Disney princess yoga. Well, Molly, if you haven't already tried it, over on the Cosmic Kids app, you will find Aurora, Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella, oh yes, Beauty and the Beast, and very soon, Rapunzel. I am working on Little Mermaid and Aladdin too, so there are princesses for all seasons. Go to app.cosmickids.com to give it a try. Okay, back to the dancing, and we are going to spin, tumble, and wish-a-wash-a-woo with some washing machine fun now. I'll see you in a wishy-washy tick for some more shout-outs.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Cosmic Kids Yoga Disco. I'm Jamie and this is your place for yoga, dancing and lots of fun. It's easy, just copy the moves I do and enjoy the disco. This one's called Washing Machine Asanga, where we do our washing machine move and our tumble dryer move.
First you get into the groove with the washing machine a move. Then you build up the fire as you blow your tumble dryer. Sit down and cross your legs and put your hands behind your head. Then twist from side to side. Let the rhythm be your guide. Wish-a-washa, wish-a-washa, wish-a-washa-woo. Wish-a-washa, wish-a-washa, wish-a-washa-woo. Let's take it to our fingers, make like a tumble dryer. Then you blow and blow and blow, and see your fingers start to roll. Blow-a-rolla, 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 blow. Blow-a-rolla, 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 blow. Wish-a-washa, wish-a-washa, wish-a-washa-woo. Wish-a-washa, wish-a-washa, wish-a-washa-woo. Wish-a-washa mamba, wish-a-washa samba, wish-a-washa rumba. Washing machine a song, rolling with the limbo, rolling to the beat of the bongo, rolling with the mambo. Washing machine a song, making my tummy stronger. Washing machine a song, rumbly tumble dryer. Let's take the music higher. Wish-a-washa, wish-a-washa, wish-a-washa woo. Blow-a-rolla, 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 blow. Everybody loves to dance and spin themselves around, twisting side to side. We love the salsa sound. Washing machine a sanga, washing machine a sanga, rumbly tumble dryer. Now we all come over.
Well, we are sparkling after all that washing machine fun. Now our final few shout-outs before our final dance party videos. First, hello to Leah and Lucas in Bergen County, New Jersey. Great suggestions. Yes to Encanto and Lego Ninjago, both high on my list. Thank you so much for those, Leah and Lucas. I'm glad you enjoy the yoga we do together. Hello to Hamza, who is 6 and lives in Calgary, Alberta. Hamza enjoys Cosmic Kids as part of homeschool during the mornings, which is wonderful, and would love to see a Dino Trucks adventure. Ooh, how cool! Thanks, Hamza. Hello to Anea, and final shout out today goes to Amelia and little sister Eleanor from New Jersey. Amelia sent a lovely video with 3 pleases asking for an Encanto yoga. Oh, I think it's official. Encanto has now become the most requested story for a new yoga adventure. I would so love to do it. I'm going to do my very best to try and make it happen. Okie dokie, now we are going to get absolutely bouncing to Bunny Bounce before making washing our hands a little bit more fun with some Soaperhero scrubbing. Enjoy the rest of the dance and I will see you next time.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Cosmic Kids Yoga Disco. I'm Jamie and this is your place for yoga, dancing and lots of fun. It's easy, just copy the moves I do and enjoy the disco. This one's called Bunny Bounce, where we do our bunny hop move.
Can you see the bunny bounce through the hedgerows and the fields? Then he stops and lifts his nose before kicking up his heels. We can all be bunnies too, if we crouch down on our toes. Wobbly, get set, go. Let's strike that bunny pose. Now to bounce, bounce, bounce. You put your hands down, down. Then you hop up your feet to the bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop beat. Do a little hop, do a big hop. Bounce up, 1, 2, 3. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bunnies is all I see. Bounce like a bunny, hop like a bunny. Bounce like a bunny, hop like a bunny. If you hop like a bunny, you can bounce like a bunny. You can hop till the day is done. You put your hands down, down. Then you hop up your feet to the bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop beat. How we love to bounce all day. Skip and hop and jump and play. Bouncing in the sun. Being bunnies is so much fun. That's the bunny bounce, the bunny bounce, the bunny bounce, the bunny bounce. If you hop like a bunny, you can bounce like a bunny. You can hop till the day is done. Before we say goodbye, let's bunny bounce one more time. Now that hop is in your feet. Let's go everyone with the bunny hop beat.
I'm a superhero. Are you a superhero too? We are all superheroes. Come on, superheroes. Let's do the 6 moves Safeguard taught us so we have the power to stop germs forever.
Rub your palms and then the back between your fingers and nails like that. Twist your thumbs and then you dry. Soaperheroes! Do the Soaperhero Scrub. We get dirty when we play, so we wash the germs away. Every finger in between, 20 seconds and we're clean. Rub your palms and then the back between your fingers and nails like that. Twist your thumbs and then you dry. Soaperheroes, do the Soaperhero Scrub. We get dirty when we play, so we wash the germs away. Every finger in between, 20 seconds and we're clean. Rub your palms and then the back between your fingers and nails like that. Twist your thumbs and then you dry. Soaperheroes, do the Soaperhero Scrub. Soaperheroes, do the Soaperhero Scrub. Soaperheroes, do the Soaperhero Scrub. Do the Soaperhero, Soaperhero, Soaperhero.